In this video, I'll show you how you can fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in GTA 5. Now the way that we can fix this is you want to come down here, search for advanced system setting. You can also find it on the control panel, but just open up this one. In here you want to make sure you go to advanced, performance, and open up settings. From in here you want to choose advanced, press change, make sure you untick this box, choose custom size, and from in here, in these two boxes, you want to type in the currently allocated. Now this is the number for me, obviously yours will be different, but what you want to do, just simply type these, press set, OK, restart your PC, and now it should work. Now that's about it guys, there's not really much more to it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.